I've never seen that ever.
But that is the craziest thing. I've never seen that before. Yeah, and then there were a bunch of them that were dive bombing, which usually means that there's a school of fish. But I've never seen that many birds. And they're still. I mean, this is like 5 minutes they've been just hanging around.
Holy moly.
Well, they're a little too far out from where I'm parked. We didn't know. If I was down by the coast, I probably could, but I'm kind of up the hill from them.
Oh my God.
So, but yeah, no, I'm sure it's a school of fish.
Look at that, now they're moving. I have never seen that many birds in my whole life.
No, because they're literally almost circling like a school of fish, just kind of going around and around and around. So they're moving slightly, but they're staying in the same area. Now we did one time on a different beach around here. We watched what could have probably only been a shark attacking, and there was a group of birds that would hang around there and dive bomb and whatever it was, probably a seal. They were in their own heck, but I've never seen this many birds.
Wow.
So,
this is the most insane thing.
yeah, we have to do lunch.
Now they're moving, look at this.